Hello everybody. Okay, well, today we will be talking about our school, ENAPE. Do you miss school? I miss school a lot. Okay, we look at the picture. Yes, at least. This is our school, ENAPE. And, well, let's see what are the places of our school. Who are the people? There are different places in our school and there are different people. When we say people, we have, of course, teachers, prefects, then there's the head teacher, Patricia, the secretary, Cristina, and then the most important people are the students, and then there's Samantha, who is the caretaker. Alright? Okay, well, let's see the places at school. Okay, what do we call this place? The place where the students spend most of their time is the classroom. Okay, other places include the library, the place where the books are kept. Okay, you can go to the library, read, okay, study. This is a very important place in our school. In this picture, it's very old. It's the place where the students eat during lunch break. That's the canteen. Alright, let's move on. In the halls of the school are the lockers. You can keep your things here, your bag, your books in the lockers. And well, let's discuss subjects. What are the subjects you have at school? There are many subjects. We are going to mention some. There's a drama workshop, yes, teatro, yes, drama, and it's a workshop, it's optional. You can choose English, of course, with me and Natalia, okay. Then there's physical education or PE, and citizenship, ciudadanía. Ciudadanía in English, you call it citizenship, alright? And finally, information and communication technology, which we call ICT. These are some of the subjects you have, not all the subjects, okay? Well, that's all for today.